Once upon a time, when the world was newly created, God has just created human being, and now human being was enjoying life in their own way. This made God realize that some kind of routine has to be given to human being. So all the gods approached Lord Shiva. After few days of thinking, Lord Shiva called Nandi and he told that, "Oh great Nandi, go down to earth and inform all the human beings that I have decided the working routine of theirs and they all have to follow it as it is been told." So Nandi started his journey as a messenger from heaven to earth. In between the path, with the fear of forgetting, he kept on repeating the schedule told by Lord Shiva. 3 times prayer, 2 times eating. 3 times prayer, 2 times eating. 3 times prayer, 2 times eating. 2 times prayer, 3 times eating. 2 times prayer, 3 times eating. 2 times prayer, 3 times eating. When he reached earth, he told all the human beings, "Oh great people, I have a message from Lord Shiva, and he has told you all to follow the schedule. That is 3 times eating and 2 times worship." People said yes, and they started following. Nandi, with great joy, started his journey again to heaven. He reached Lord Shiva. He bowed down to him and told him, "Oh great Lord, I have conveyed your message to the people. Now they will follow the routine, and that is 3 times eating, 2 times prayer." Lord Shiva got angry on this. He said, "I told you that 3 times prayer, 2 times eating. Now this will create an imbalance and shortage of food. Now, to meet the requirement of food and food production, you go down on earth and help the people in the form of cow, so that agriculture may prosper and food can be yielded." Since that day onwards, we have cows working in field along with the agriculture and helping us in the production of foods. Thank you.